Here's my 1/24 scale deadbolt. Sorry. Comes with a transmitter, RC itself, no battery or charger, so you will need your own battery and charger. Does have a few upgrades. Wheels and tires. Sorry about that. Weighted wheels and tires. Diff covers. Metal steering link. Extended extenders for the shocks. And Jura bottom links. The rear has weighted wheels as well. On the rear, Trio diff cover. Body's a little scratched, but I mean it's nothing too crazy. This thing's really fun. And it sits way higher now. Well, slightly higher, but I only have one battery, so it will not come with batteries.